Hey everyone, Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains and Transportation. I'm in Callao, Missouri right now. So we're gonna get a train video. Let's see the train what it is today. SD78's alright. BNSF alright there. That was a short, cold train. I might have to tell Grandpa about that. DPU alright, 127 cars. That was a short, cold train. Can you believe that? They didn't make the 150s. That's strange. Why they got 127 cars? I could not believe it. The DPU alright. Assembled that train was BNSF SD78 unit. That train here originates south at Thomas Hill, Missouri at the power plant. Heads north, going to turn the switch track on its way west to stop, eat dinner in Kansas City, Missouri on its way west going to Allowance, Nebraska happened on this Sunday, March 26, 2023, by Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains and Transportation on YouTube. Here's the next video. Well, my name is Tyler McCully, so I'm going to take a look up the siding again, see what we got. There's that empty piggyback and bear table sitting on the siding again since February 21st through today. Well, that was happened since 3 weeks ago. My name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video. Have a good day.